Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Volkswagen with a rear window wiper such as Tiguan, Touareg, Golf guys, multiple Volkswagen use that design. If you need to replace rear wiper, you want to see where you can get one wiper from for a really good price and quick shipping, stay with us, we'll share that with you guys. Let me tell you before we start a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, if you need to buy wipers, tools for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, and you can save quite a bit of money. So we'll be demonstrating on that Volkswagen Tiguan, but it will be the same, okay, for other Volkswagens with rear wipers as well. So let's go ahead and start on it now. How do you guys do that? Okay, let's explain that thing now. Let me get a screwdriver quick, okay, to see where I left, okay, my screwdriver. Okay, I'm gonna grab one now. Okay, that's good. Okay, perfect. And now, how do you guys do that? Let's come here now. That's the rear window wiper. Now, how do you do it? You open it, right? Now, that plastic piece here, guys, okay, if you pry, you will damage that that arm. You need to come on the back side right there, get the screwdriver, and you need to push it out. Okay, watch now how it slides out. Okay, it moves. Check it out now. When it's closed like that, you cannot get the wiper out. But when you slide it to the front, it opens and the wiper comes out. It may be stuck if you have dust and dirt stuck in it. You get the new wiper, you install it on the arm. Okay, align everything really good. Perfect. Now push it in. Okay, perfect. And we're ready to go. That's how you guys do it. So, that's how you guys remove a rear wiper on a Volkswagen. If you need to see how to do front ones, we have the video on the channel as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.